Some people ask me how to make the screen bigger. So you're gonna right click on the screen on the desktop, and you're gonna click left click on display settings. Here, scroll down, and here you have scale. So recommended 150. I said recommended. You see, and now your letters are bigger, your font is bigger. Right? Can you see? So you can probably go up to 175, depend on monitor, right? Depend on what is your screen. So you see, this is 100%. This is 175, much bigger. I hope this helps, guys. Scale. Some application won't respond to scaling until you close and reopen them. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.